Hey guys, welcome back. We got Tanner here.
Oh,
Say hi.
you're in the intro right now.
Oh God.
Hayden, say hi.
Yeah, I'll get him to vlog.
Hello. Peace. We're out of here. Intro's over. Bye. Meet you at the track for practice with Hayden and Tim. Let's go. And that is from gas station Coca-Cola. Gas. 2 sandwiches. Eating up. Gas. Hayden. Gas. Hayden. Looking gas. Tim. Gas. And a sandwich. Drink.
Did they go potty?
Yeah. Luna. Luna. Hayden, any words for the viewers? What should they do? Should they like and subscribe?
No.
Come on. No. Bye bye. Follow me.
Follow me, HHOOVER_7.
Number 72, Hayden Hoover, but don't come out to number 7 right here. Austin was good, dropping in the second. Cody Redmond, going for here, looking for the outside is here, trying to look for a safe place to get in. Brody Wexford on a 345. Still got to trying to get something happening here. Brody Wexford, he is out to go from Willowdale far left. Hoover is putting on a driving benefit and open 3-7 out.
You in my 20 push-up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 14, 15, 16, 17, 17. 2 more. No, 3 more actually. 18, 19, 20. I did them.
It's kind of on the golf course, but it was still in the fall, so there was all these leaves, and it didn't quite get all red, yellow, and orange and shit. And so he just is squatting down in the back of the woods, and he's just shitting. He's like, guys, I'm shitting. And so we're all like, oh my God, Colin. So he like wants us to go and look at it.
Logan. Thanks for watching the vlog. Make sure to follow me at __ Colin Walters __ and make sure to, that's my Instagram, and make sure to follow me on TikTok. It is _ Colin Walters _ or it's _ I forget what it is. Make sure to follow me, and thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hopefully you had a good time watching my videos, and hopefully you enjoy them. Thanks for watching. Bye. Peace.